It's starting a little bit.
Did that tree will probably fare well. This one, I don't know.
Yeah, the palm trees usually do.
It's like the Dr. Seuss tree here. But yeah, we have a tornado warning right now.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
And the unrelenting rain.
You probably won't see anything, but it's pretty windy where this guy is anyhow. This guy's crazy. He's been out there probably for an hour or so.
Slam right into your back. Remember the tornado threat. We've had a couple of warnings today. Some of these are water spouts that come in and put out the real things. And then as these cells go ashore,
I don't see anything right now, but tornado's scarier than a hurricane.
that is a pretty healthy gust right there. That's going to be 60 plus. Wow. Look at the visibility, how it goes down when it's raining this hard and blowing this hard. Wow. It's some storm this morning. By the way, power is going out. Miami-Dade County right now, about a third of Florida PowerLink customers without power. Downtown, we still have lights on. Power